What's up guys, Nizo here. It's been a while since I've done one of his unboxing. My homie Gavin has got his new DSP10 Goldhorn DSP and yeah, this is the first time opening it up. It did come wrapped in a bit of a plastic, so let's take a look at what it is. Retail on one of his units is about 11 grand. Okay, quite nice packaging. It's your okay, that would be for the PC link to set up. You'd link the DSP to your PC for tuning. The actual DSP, will come to that now. Let's just see the extras. That's probably your high level inputs and power, and I see an antenna. That's probably for Wi-Fi. I'm actually not too sure on all of the features it's got. Here's your user manual. Let's just open it up. Since Gavin's with me, I normally give the owners the opportunity to open it, but he asked me to basically do this for him. Sorry, it's a bit difficult doing this with one hand. Quite a neat looking unit. Brushed black, nice finishes. Okay, channels A to J, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 channel output. USB. The USB link is for the PC link that I explained. It's got optical, Bluetooth. Okay, I think that's for Bluetooth control. I'm not too sure. There's your inputs. That's your high level output. I'm actually not too sure. We'll have to read the manual, and then it gives us your control, whether you're gonna do an auto turn on or have it switched on by a remote control. Battery, if I'm not mistaken, these units, let's get it to zoom in. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, you can plug in an external like a cap, like a capacitor onto it. DSPs, well, high quality DSPs, not all DSPs, your really high quality units can take additional batteries. Optical's quite cool. So what he's gonna do is he's got a Goldhorn P2 player. He'll run an optical from the player into this, so there's no need for RCAs. The only RCAs you'll be using is the output RCAs, the outputs from the DSP to the amplifiers. Now he runs a 3-way system and a subwoofer. Now you can add a center channel as well as rear full. So that's the cool part of having a 10 channel DSP. Anyway, after it's installed, we'll have a look at it. We'll go through a bit of, I'll ask Gavin to do some tuning videos, show us through the software, his take on everything. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.